Struggling with those everyday annoyances? Well, struggle no more. Here are 5 more simple solutions you'll absolutely love. Let's get started. Hey there, welcome back again to Everyday Hacks. We're here to make your life a little easier. Ready for some quick fixes? Here we go. First up, those annoying water rings on your wooden furniture. It's like they appear out of nowhere, right? Here's a trick. Place a cloth over the ring and run a hot iron over it for a few seconds. The heat will draw out the moisture. Water ring, be gone. It's like magic, but with science. Next, dealing with a slow or clogged drain. It's gross, but we've all been there. Mix some baking soda and vinegar, pour it down the drain, wait 15 minutes, then flush with hot water. It's like a science experiment you did in school. But this one actually helps you. Want to freshen up a room quickly? No need for fancy sprays. Simmer a pot of water with lemon slices, rosemary, and a dash of vanilla extract on the stove. Your home will smell like a spa in no time. Who needs air fresheners when you have this? Got a squeaky door driving you nuts? It's like your house is haunted. Apply a little petroleum jelly or cooking spray to the hinges. No more squeak, and you won't even need to buy anything special. Peace and quiet, restored. Slipping in your favorite shoes? It's like they've turned against you. Grab a piece of sandpaper and rub the soles. This gives them more traction and keeps you steady on your feet. Slip, no more. And there you have it, 5 more simple solutions for those pesky problems. Which hack are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching.